Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix SPUpDateServer.exe server error. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to open up CMD or command prompt, click on it and run as admin. Make sure to run as admin, and then you need to write cfc /scan now, one word, and wait until verification process is done. And after that, you need to put this command here. I will leave all the commands in the video description below, so you can easily copy and paste it. And after that, restart your computer, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, open up browser, go to Malwarebytes and download a free version of Malwarebytes. Then what you need to do here is to open up Malwarebytes, then press scan and then advanced scan, and then do deep scan. And once you do the deep scan, after scan is done, look if there is basically malware on your computer, and if there is, it will be the button here where you need to just press remove it, and after that restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.